There's a pretty good chance you found this video because you're running Meshtastic or Mesh Core and want to know, is 1 watt worth it? Well, let's go over that today. Okay, so if you don't know what's here, this is the Heltec V3, the LilyGO T-Echo, the Rack 4631, and then their new 1 watt booster kit. This by no means is meant to be a perfect test, just to get generalized numbers of like what would you see if you were having these out in the wild. What we should expect here is a significant boost between the 4631 and these remaining devices and this 1 watt booster kit because it has an external PA and it is putting out a whole lot more power. To be fair, we're going to be keeping the antenna the same across all these nodes, just swapping out each time and then doing 3 trace routes. So we got our setup about 6 miles away. We're going to use a tripod. All right, we're all set up. Let's get testing. I was a bit rushed because of the weather. I'll add the screenshots so you can see I actually ran the tests, and then condense everything into a spreadsheet. Things got cut a little short because of weather, but the graph shows a pretty clear trend that more power is going to give you better margin and functionally longer range. Keep an eye on the description because I'm going to have some affiliate links as well as coupon codes, especially for Rack. They're going to be doing a Lunar New Year discount, 10% store-wide, and that should be live for about a week. And I'll be updating as it goes if they send me any additional ones, or it might be extended. So keep an eye out for all that and drop any questions or concerns you might have in the comments.